I'm A-Prov.
I'm Nick 23!
Can y'all
I'm
like
Nick
fucking introduce
23.
yourselves?
P Jizzles.
Oh shoot. And I'm Soggy Ed. Funny. Guys laugh.
Airball. There's 8 players to 10.
Go into settings.
We should done private.
I think it's sped up, so it doesn't matter.
No, restart the recording. I'll show you how to hide it. Hold on.
Yeah, you can. I think you can turn off copyright music.
Alright, restart. No, just do it. Just do it.
Yeah.
Um.
I'm sexy and I know it.
Oh,
should we all say like our display name? Because we said our nickname, but
Dylan, just restart the recording, bro.
I changed mine.
Nothing.
Why am I on a different team?
Oh shit. They're right on my ass, guys.
What am I supposed to be doing?
You're in the big truck and you gotta catch the little guys.
Oh, I played it.
That they're right on my. Oh.
Shit. Oh. Lethal.
Okay. He's flashing like that.
Naked.
Oh, I'm about to get
How did that?
He just shoot.
I hit his ass.
Oh, I got the kick.
I swear I hit him.
Dylan. Fuck my ass!
What? I mean,
Who's left?
Dylan.
Oh,
Hey!
oh, we won.
Bogus. We already have like 15 times.
Car, go.
Oh,
Don't worry, I'm a pro driver. I watched Baby Driver 6 times.
he plays Rocket League.
I play Rocket League.
Oh shit. Fuck. You know, to get monetized, you need 4,000 hours, I think, of watch time.
So if we make an hour-long video, we get 30K views.
And they all watch the full thing.
I don't even know.
Hey, that's a pretty good way, I think.
That's me and DJ.
I got stuck on a wall.
God
Oh,
damn it.
Agent.
My brother used to play this game.
I don't believe you.
Yeah, true. Nope.
The legal name.
I assumed I forgot.
Truck Pursuit.
He's hanging out at our headquarters all the time.
He denies it, but he's actually a fanboy.
DJ!
Hey!
Oh, DJ!
Car crash. What the hell? This kid just. Oh my god. My teammate literally crashed into me.
I saw it for that. Oh, you're mad at that.
I suck at this part.
The mantle is on like at least because you open. So, John, tell us a little bit about your dad.
About my what?
Your dad.
Joe?
His full legal name is Peter.
He's sleeping right now. So.
Joe Dirt. Joe Dirt, all haircut.
Oh, I have a photo. Of Sal texting.
Donate.
You know?
We do not.
Kickstarter.
You motherfucker!
What the fuck, man?
Fuck the kids.
Um,
Oh, whoa.
okay, he is a king.
Guys, I'm a truck. I eat the fucking little bit. Guys, I'm a truck.
I would talk.
Undone truck farm. John Dunn truck farm.
There's no way that kid got past me. Oh
You think
my
I'd die if I hit the truck?
No.
Oh shoot, TJ, I just...
You dumb,
You do die if you hit the truck.
Really? Really? Oh!
Oh, there goes Nathan.
Guys, we should do Fortnite skits.
Go.
Oh, teasing.
Wait, no, what is it?
Is it last leave 19 Gale Drive South wins $10,000?
Yeah, I think. Subscribers.
Listen, Wes.
Oh, we might-
You want 2 or 3 what? Just tell us the idea.
No,
We'll gatekeep from
the viewers are gonna get spoiled.
We'll gatekeep from Nathan.
All of our lovely
Yeah,
viewers.
edit it out.
Oh, that's too much work.
Guys, we have to do some edit on YouTube.
No, we're not doing this again.
What quad?
Why?
The quad simulator.
I forgot we gave the quad the
God
YouTube.
damn! I keep on drifting into water.
Oh, I died.
Where are we gonna get rid of
frick? Like, shut up. You're the one.
Everyone say bully John in the comments.
For anyone new to this couch.
What did you say?
He made a funny joke.
Oh, I beat the obby.
How could you look out?
I did the parkour.
Oh, you pick kids.
Okay, you're good.
I've seen a Chinese guy that does.
Hey, no racism.
It's not racist.
Adrian, we don't support racism.
Identifying people based off race.
Yeah, what the hell is your problem?
It's racism.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh shit.
He did talking.
This kid named Confuzzled Monkey just jumped off a cliff. No!
Somebody's watching. I think it's Ed on the
Oh, wait, why is that actually said? Somebody's watching me. I think it's Ed Albie.
No, wait, we just dissed Ed. We doxed Eddie's real name.
What do you mean? That was our headquarters.
Wait,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Down there.
I don't even say anything.
Yeah.
oh,
Go.
I think the Reapers are back because they're attacking.
Yeah. The bio, I know the bio weaknesses. I don't know about or geometry. Geometry.
I don't have it back. What? 97. Holy
Yeah.
shit. Let's go.
Biology, I got 100! Oh my god.
Oh,
It's through the
No,
count.
it's in the recents.
do you guys think that the Mr. Beast guy? How do you think he died?
Oh, I heard about it. My brother was telling me.
How do I not?
That's kind of crazy. He must have. Who is left?
I don't know how the math one isn't back. We took that however many days.
Well, we had to make they had to make a curve or some shit. Yeah. Guys, this is not appropriate for our foreign viewers.
Dylan, you didn't answer my question. If I had to guess, like, I know, which is why they didn't say how he died.
I don't
When
think they
they
knew. My brother was telling me they don't know. Or it
When
was
they
at
don't
least,
say how a person dies, it's normally suicide.
or I would think homicide. But why would he kill himself in the Mr. Beast video? Seems like wait.
Yeah.
No, but he was. It wasn't in the video. He was like becoming really good friends with the guy. He was invited to their family dinner. So why? I think he might have died. I feel like he either died of natural causes or like murdered or some shit.
Could have been murder. They just didn't say, which weirds me out. Dylan, what the hell?
Yeah. Also, the autopsy hasn't been done yet. They don't really know for sure.
And at the end of the video, they blurred out his birth year. Like it said in memory of Tyler Wall, and it said 19 blank blank to 2025.
I feel like why did he post the video? It was a little weird.
TJ, I don't.
Yeah,
Yeah, TJ, I don't think there's a chance that they didn't do the autopsy yet.
What was the? I guess I guess he spends a while. They do take a while. Okay, then yeah, then definitely.
Yeah, but the video came out forever ago. Well, it was probably filmed forever ago. Probably filmed a while ago.
Is the game glitched or did I just know spawning?
what?
I'm like floating.
I killed you, so no.
I'm just in the lobby floating.
What'd you get?
I think I got 100 on math because our teacher showed us like her answers, and all of mine were like the exact same.
Corey Percival. Raph Capone.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye, cherished viewers.